After you have gotten your disinfectant in your designated spray bottles, your next step will be to wipe down any soiled areas. To do that, you will need single-use wipes or roll towels, as well as a detergent and water. Now we will demonstrate how to wipe down a table. So first, we will make room around the table so we can work around the table, and then we're going to clear off the table. Grab our single-use towel, our detergent and water. Spray the detergent and water on the paper towel, and then we will wipe down to remove any soils and any barriers so that the disinfectant can do its magic.